Now changing row height and column width. To change the row height, click on a specific cell of a particular row. The row height of the second row we are going to change, so click on any cell. Then go to Layout tab. In the cell size group, in the height box, using the spinning arrow buttons, you specify the number. Okay. Suppose I want to increase the height of the row, then use the upper arrow and you can specify the number. Okay. And to select and to change the column width, of a column, you select a cell of that particular column. Then from the Layout tab in the cell size group, click on the spinning arrow buttons of the width box. Okay. Upper arrow button will increase the width of the column. Okay. Now next we have applying borders and shading to the table. What is a border? Border is the edge or boundary of the table, and shading is the color that is applied to the background of the table. So to apply borders, first you need to select the table. Then on the Design tab, in the Table Styles group, click on Borders. When you click on Borders, a menu will appear which will have some border option. Okay. Suppose you don't want a border at the bottom of the table, then you can select bottom border option. Okay. Then the bottom border of the table will be removed. So here the options are given, and in these pictures, in the picture the borders are shown which is going to remove. Okay. Suppose right border I want to remove, click on the right border.